Hey my LP Nation, we're in another episode of After Effects 101. So a disclaimer first, you have to download Adobe Media Encoder if you wish to export the project as MP4 or as H.264 codec. Yep, because After Effects doesn't allow you to export directly from After Effects to MP4, okay? So I advise you to do that, it's faster, and the MP4 file format is like the best for sharing, for using online, etc., as you might already know. In the last episode we did a quick sound sync. Basically we made a lyrics video from a song, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you real quickly, how to collect the project, how to purge your disk cache and memory so your workflow is faster, and lastly I will show you how to export a project. We have two ways for it, but let's dig into it. First, open your project. I'm using the project from last time. Okay, my interface is a bit crammed up because I'm using other resolution. I'm using widescreen usually, but for recording purposes I have full HD, that's why my screen looks a bit messy. But don't worry about it. First, I will show you how to purge your memory and disk cache. Please go to Edit, go to Purge, select all memory and disk cache, and are you sure you want to delete all files from your disk cache? Press OK. Voila. Now your project should go a bit more smoothly. Second step, you want to collect the project. Collecting project means that, for example, if you have a big project, your files are scattered all over the place and your client tells you, please, you need to send me the full project quickly. If you want your client to successfully open the project with all the files necessary and visible, just like I attached in the link for you to practice on this one, you have to go to File, Dependencies, Collect Files, click Collect Files. Be sure that the window looks like this. So collect source files, all, reveal collected project in Explorer, collect. Now you will choose a location and the name of the folder, put it on desktop and press save. Okay, and the program opened basically the collected project. Let's go out of this and let's open again, just for the display purposes, tutorial purposes. We will open our collected project. Okay, come on, bam. Okay, we're in again. So this is your collected project. What if you want your final file? So most beginners have trouble with too large files. So let's do two options. Option number one is to do everything in After Effects. You will choose your main project like this, double click, left double click, and add to render queue. Here you will have to choose the right settings. So choose best settings, lossless. Under lossless you have to choose QuickTime. Why QuickTime? Because if you choose the default AVI, it will be too big. Go for QuickTime. Go RGB plus alpha this time and go audio output on. Click OK. Output 2. Choose location wherever you want. Click save. Be sure that the resolution is on full and click render. And basically that's it. So, because we don't want to wait exactly for, 15 minutes, I will now stop this and I will show you another way how to export the project. This is the way I do it. Most people want their project to be in MP4, so After Effects doesn't allow you to export in MP4, so you will have to go to File, Export, Add to Adobe Media Encoder queue. So you have to have Media Encoder. Okay. Now we will wait for a second. Okay, you see this one here, it appeared. You will choose H264, that's a codec for MP4. You will go to match source high bitrate. This is very important, so it matches your project quality. You see here you can set up like details, video, audio, etc., but I don't want to bother you with the details in this tutorial. And lastly, pick a location. Let's say you want it on your desktop. Click save, you see it will be MP4, and bam, that's it. And you see how quick it is. It's like less than 2 minutes. So yeah, for me, it's much better option to do it via Adobe Encoder, but if you don't want to download it, I use 2018. Yep. Thank you, my LP Nation. I hope you liked this quick little sweet tutorial, and I see you tomorrow in another vlogs episode. Bye bye. If you like this video and it was useful to you, please comment below. If you have additional questions, also comment below. If you have ideas for the next videos, please, if you like this video, also don't forget to sub. It means really a lot. I know I'm a bit boring with this sub, but yeah, that's a sign that you support my work. Thank you very much, my LP Nation, and see you in the next episode of Online Skills That Pay the Bills. It was your guy, LP.
I'm not sure.